Good morning, everyone. So I've got a packed lunch for both the kids today. They are actually off with their babysitter to the playground over lunchtime and they're going to have a picnic. So I've got quite snacky kind of lunches because they might stop and actually get something to eat. But I know they're going to be running around a lot, so I just kind of got snacky type things. So they each have a full bottle of water because that will muchly be needed. And then their lunches are pretty much exactly the same. So they each have a bag of the Palm Bear gluten-free crisps on top, and then some cut up apple in both. One of these are the hobnobs. They're like basically kind of like a granola with a bit of chocolate on top. They each have a cheese string and then a pack of the Nature Valley Canadian maple syrup granola bar. There's 2 of these in there. And that's all they're taking. It's more just kind of like a snacky thing for them to have because she might give them lunch sort of back at the house. So that's what they're taking today for their little picnic in the park. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. The kids are off to day camp again today, and this is what they are taking. So Harry has a ham sandwich. He's got a pepperoni stick, some carrots and strawberries, and some little biscuits as a treat. And then I'm not sure if they give him snacks or not, so he's going to take a pack of these and a bottle of water. Jack does get snacks provided at his day camp, and he is taking some strawberries and some baby carrots. These are the little chicken, they're already cooked. They're like these little chicken nugget things that he loves. A pepperoni stick and some chocolate chip cookies. And then he's got his bottle of water. And like I said, they will give him snacks at his day camp. That's everything the kids are taking today. Okay, so the kids are home today for lunch. And they are having just sort of picnic style. Jack's having the little pre-cooked chicken nuggets that he loves. 2 slices of apple and 3 of the mini cucumbers with his water. And Harry is having a ham sandwich, which he's requested with apples and cucumber and his water. And then if they finish everything up, they'll probably each get some little donuts or chocolate chip cookies or some kind of treat like that. And that's what they're having today for lunch at home. Okay, today for lunch, the kids are eating at home. So we're doing picnic style again, which seems to be our theme for the summer. Harry is having whole wheat bread with ham. He's having this is just 1 piece of bread. I've just done him in like a half sandwich, and some carrots and some sugar snap peas. Jack is having 2 little sausage rolls and 2 of the little chicken nuggets, along with sugar snap peas and carrots, and I cut up some cheese for him. That's what they're having today for lunch.